Hey there! Ever wondered what happens when Italian comfort food meets Mexican flavors? Today, I'm showing you how to make an incredible Mexican lasagna that'll blow your mind. It's cheesy, spicy, and packed with layers of deliciousness that your family will beg you to make again and again. Let's dive into this fusion masterpiece. All right, let's kick things off by preheating our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You know, that sweet spot where most casseroles come out perfect. While it's heating up, we can get everything else ready. Time to get our skillet nice and hot. Add that tablespoon of olive oil and toss in your chopped onions. We're looking for them to become soft and translucent. You'll know they're ready when they start to look almost see-through. Now, let's add our minced garlic to those beautiful onions. Just give it about a minute. You'll start to smell that amazing aroma filling your kitchen. That's when you know it's ready for the next step. Also, if you want to upgrade your nonstick frying pan, I'll leave mine, which I'm very happy with, in the video description. Here comes the main player, our ground beef. Break it up with your spatula as it cooks. We want nice, even-sized crumbles, and we're looking for that perfect brown color with no pink spots remaining. Let's amp up the flavor. Sprinkle in that taco seasoning and pour in the beef broth. Give everything a good stir. This is where the magic starts happening. Let it simmer until most of the liquid has reduced. Time to make this mixture really special. Add your Ro-tel, black beans, corn, and those flavorful green chiles. Let everything hang out together for about 5 minutes, getting all those flavors to mingle and dance together. Now for the fun part, assembly time. Grab your 9x13 casserole dish and give it a good coating of cooking spray. Pour that beautiful red enchilada sauce on the bottom. This will keep everything nice and moist. Layer those tortillas on the bottom, overlapping them slightly. Don't worry if it's not perfect. We're going for rustic here. You want to make sure you've got good coverage across the bottom of the dish. All right, now we're building our first layer. Spoon 1/3 of that amazing meat mixture we made over those tortillas, then sprinkle 1/3 of your cheese on top. Already looking good, right? Let's keep this party going. We're going to repeat those same layers 2 more times. It's like building a flavor skyscraper. Tortillas, meat mixture, cheese. Keep going until you've used everything up, making sure to end with that gorgeous cheese on top. Time to tuck this beauty in. Cover the dish with foil, not too tight, but enough to seal in all that goodness. Pop it in our preheated oven and let it bake for about 30 to 35 minutes. When time's up, carefully remove that foil. The anticipation is real. Now we're going to let it bake uncovered for another 5 minutes until that cheese gets all melty and bubbly. Here's a pro move if you're feeling fancy. Switch your oven to broil for just 2 to 3 minutes. Keep an eye on it though. We want golden and gorgeous, not burnt. Almost done. Let's dress this beauty up with some sour cream, fresh cilantro, pico de gallo, and if you're feeling brave, those pickled jalapeños. Make it look as good as it's going to taste. And there you have it. Your Mexican lasagna is ready to serve. Cut into it while it's still hot and watch that cheese pull. Trust me, your kitchen's about to become everyone's favorite place to be.